Each year, the EICMA show in Milan, Italy, serves as the premier event where motorcycle manufacturers unveil their latest creations set to hit the market the following year. Known for its prominence, the event gives brands the opportunity to showcase bikes they've been quietly perfecting, finally revealing them to eager consumers and the motorcycle press. For the manufacturers, it's undoubtedly a relief to debut products they hope will generate buzz and excitement. The selection of bikes highlighted this year gives us insight into the industry's current focus. So far, there's been a strong emphasis on specific categories, roughly a dozen adventure or dual sport bikes, about 15 naked or standard style models, and at least 12 sport bikes or sport touring machines. One notable trend is the limited number of new electric motorcycles for 2025, despite the automotive industry's rapid shift toward EVs. Additionally, European manufacturers continue to aggressively introduce new models, while Yamaha and Suzuki are leading the charge for Japanese brands, with Chinese companies also making significant strides. In the end, the success and future of these models in the 2025 market will largely depend on consumer spending. So, without further delay, we're excited to showcase the 10 most remarkable motorcycles unveiled at this year's EICMA. When the Tracer 9 GT Plus returned for 2024, we were thoroughly impressed. The bike not only delivered an unmatched array of technology for its price range, but also made all those advanced features genuinely enhance the riding experience. For 2025, Yamaha has taken a slightly different approach by introducing the lower-tier Tracer 9. Some of the costlier features have been scaled back to achieve a remarkably affordable price of $12,599. While we're eager to hop on this bike anytime, we're also curious to see if it measures up to the impressive GT Plus that came before it. We've long been fans of Aprilia's 659cc parallel twin models, and we're already impressed with the Tuareg 660. However, the new rally version enhances the bike we adored, making it even more capable. Engine updates ensure compliance with Euro 5+ standards while retaining its 80 horsepower peak. The upgraded suspension offers more travel and refined settings, while features like a rugged skid plate, steel-reinforced handguards, heavy-duty rims, and a titanium SC Project exhaust make us eager to hit the dunes. Yes, Suzuki is back in action. After years of recycling models with little more than new graphics, the company has finally awakened. Its 776cc parallel twin-engine lineup has been a massive hit, and now, after an incredible 23 years, Suzuki has completely overhauled the DR-Z400S. The bike features a new liquid-cooled 398cc DOHC 4-valve single engine, producing 38 horsepower and equipped with a slipper clutch. Modern electronics, including multiple ride modes, traction control, and switchable ABS, bring it up to date. A fully adjustable KYB shock, 46mm KYB fork with compression and rebound damping ensure the DR-Z will once again be a highly affordable and popular dual sport. We've always been vocal about our love for KTM's big LC8 V-twin, a powerhouse that delivers outstanding performance in every bike it powers. For 2025, KTM has raised the bar yet again, boosting displacement to 1,350cc and claiming 173 horsepower for the Super Adventure models. Impressive enough? Absolutely, but there's more. The Super Adventure S Evo will also feature the brand new AMT, automated manual transmission, as standard, which only heightens our curiosity. In every sense, this bike is the Ram TRX of the ADV world, and we can't wait to take it for a spin. Street-legal electric motorcycles still face challenges like limited range, slow charging, and heavy weight, but off-road models prioritize differently. Rest assured, every major motorcycle brand is quietly working on EVs. Purer Mobility Group and KTM have been refining electric bikes, like the original Freeride, since the 2000s. For 2025, the KTM Freeride and Husqvarna Pioneer share platforms as street-legal dual sports, but we're especially drawn to the Husky's distinct styling. Its 11 kilowatts motor delivers 25.6 horsepower, 38 Newton-meter of torque, a 95 kilometers per hour top speed, and a claimed 136 kilometers range. Is this the breakthrough EV? We're not sure yet, but we're eager to find out. In the adventure bike market, few models have matched the Yamaha T7 in capability, affordability, and popularity. If you doubt its prowess, just watch a Tuareg video. However, one frustration has been the lack of better-equipped versions in the America, while other markets enjoyed upgraded models. Yamaha has finally addressed this and will introduce an updated Tenere 700 stateside for 2025. Key improvements include upgraded electronics and suspension, meeting much of what fans have been asking for. With the price rising by just $200, the T7's already strong cult following is sure to expand even further. Just one glance at the new limited edition Moto Guzzi Stelvio was enough to fall head over heels. Already a stunning motorcycle, the 2025 Duecento Tributo livery takes its appeal to the next level. However, making this list requires more than just good looks. Moto Guzzi's 1042cc compact block engine, which debuted 3 years ago in the Mandello, was destined for the Stelvio, and with the rising popularity of adventure bikes, it's a perfect match. The Stelvio DT comes equipped with the Rider Assistance solution, a radar-based suite of safety features, along with standard heated grips and seats, a center stand, quick shifter, and cruise control. We're itching to carve through some alpine hairpins on this beauty. Riding a V4-powered Aprilia is an experience that transcends raw engine performance. The unmistakable sound of the RSV4 at full throttle alone could justify its place on this list, but the extensive updates for 2025 make it a standout. Key upgrades include a boost in power to an impressive 220 horsepower, a cutting-edge predictive electronic control system that adjusts in anticipation of rider needs, and MotoGP-inspired aerodynamics that set a new benchmark for the class. Together, these features make it one of the most formidable superbikes on the market. KTM's middleweight 947cc parallel twin LC8C engine continues to deliver class-leading power and performance, just like its bigger siblings. If the 990 Duke from last year left you wanting more, the 2025 KTM 990 Duke R is here to deliver. With a claimed 130 horsepower and a dry weight of just 180 kilograms, it promises to be a beast. The chassis has been enhanced to handle the extra power, featuring a 48mm apex fork, up from 43mm, a slightly extended swing arm and wheelbase, Brembo Stelvio calipers, and larger 320mm front discs. Add in a comprehensive suite of advanced rider aids and a stunning 8.9-inch landscape TFT display, and this rowdy machine looks poised to dominate the competition. If Ducati's 210 horsepower Panigale V2 seems a bit daunting but still fuels your desire for a Rosso Corsa sport bike, the newly announced Panigale V2 could be the perfect fit. Both the V2 and its naked counterpart, the Street Fighter V2, are powered by a new 890cc engine delivering 120 horsepower. This engine departs from Ducati's traditional desmodromic design, featuring DOHC 4-valve per-cylinder heads with valve springs, and is the brand's lightest V-twin, yet at just 54 kilograms. The bike itself is a completely fresh design, tipping the scales at 177 kilograms dry. Highlights include an aluminum monocoque frame, double-sided swing arm, Brembo M50 monoblock brakes, and a full array of rider aids. It might just be the ultimate track day machine for everyday sport bike enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful, be sure to hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you and will respond to as many as I can. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and as always, stay safe and ride responsibly. See you in the next one.